In my last video I wondered why this spindle motor turns better in one direction than in the other, and I explained it with some mechanical memory, and that's in fact something that happens with more complicated mechanisms that involve gears and motors and stuff. And then one of my viewers commented, isn't that one of these ceramic bearings with oil inside and grooves and stuff? And I remembered, yes, I already disassembled one of these, and yeah, they're pretty interesting, and let's have a look. These bearings are called fluid dynamic bearings, and the trick is that the bearing itself is some kind of oil, so the rotating parts never touch each other. It's just a layer of oil, and of course the oil needs to be very high quality one. You will only find these bearings in hard drives or maybe in fans, and from my experience they already tried a lot with fans, with bearings to replace ordinary ball bearings and stuff, but they failed to use a good oil, and after a couple of years the oil went sticky, and of course the fan stopped working. So I hope for the hard drive here they use a little bit a better kind of oil. And here is a view of that bearing under the microscope. As you can see, it's just a tapered hole with some funny grooves, and on the other side it's exactly the same thing. And here is a part that stays with the shaft, so the shaft here is stationary and everything else is rotating, but it would also work the other way around. And as you can see, the parts here, they are not ceramic, they are probably ceramic coated or something, but they are made of steel, and I mean, they don't need to be ceramic because they will never touch because of the oil. And here we have a diagram that shows the oil pressure distribution. You can see the maximum pressure is in the center where all these grooves run together. The oil itself wants to spread outside, but it can't because it's constantly forced to the center by these grooves, and yeah, that's why it stays where it is.